Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jess and thank you so much for tuning in to today's video. Today I'm going to be doing a different type of video for you guys, and that is going to be a bag unboxing of sorts. I have a new bag here, and I'm also going to do a what's in my bag video, and that will make this video much more substantial because you'll get an inside scoop into what's in my bag. So if you'd like to see what my new bag is and what is inside of it, then please keep on watching. My birthday has come and gone, and my love got me a bag that I really wanted for my birthday, and that is this NAT PHI bag, and it is absolutely gorgeous. I really love Nat. It is a messenger bag. It is so cute, never worn. I just took it out of the wrappings. It still has its little tag on it right here. This is a vegan leather bag. If you haven't heard before about Nat, I will leave all of the information about the bag in the down bar, as well as any of the items that I will keep in my bag that I can link to, I will link to. So it is this gorgeous kind of satchel style messenger bag. It's a little bit more of a doctor bag in shape, as you can see like from the side view of it, and I really love that about it. There's a front flap with magnetic closure, so it kind of just leans shut. I really love the layout of this because even if you like are in a hurry and you don't zip this up, this still flaps over closed, so you can't really reach inside, which I really like. If you're ever on public transportation, it's always nice not to have just like an open bag that someone can shove their hands into really fast. Going to cut away with the camera view, you can see that it's quite spacious inside. There is one larger, more phone pocket, and then there is a zipper pouch on the side, on the inside. But it's nice and deep, and it leaves just enough room for all of my things. The back has these little Velcro straps that you can see here. If you don't attach the messenger, you can actually attach this to a bicycle. So this is really great if you are a commuter via a bike, because you can wrap this onto the front of your bicycle. But such a gorgeous bag. You can also hold it from this little handle up at the top, but I'm going to utilize the messenger strap just because that is a really comfortable way for me to wear bags, and I can switch from side to side so I'm evenly distributing the weight of the bag throughout the day. This bag is really spacious and lovely for someone like myself who doesn't want to carry too much, but I can keep the essentials in here and it's not too heavy, which is very important to me because I don't have a great back, so I never want to be carrying my whole life around. But this is a really lovely size, and I guess now let me fill it up with what is in my bag. So first thing first, I have my Mophie charger. I've spoken about this before, but it is just an external charger. It has 24 hours worth of full charge on it, and I just love it. It connects to my phone or a tablet or a computer, and 24 hours worth of charge always around with you is so handy. It's especially great if I am like taking the train somewhere, going to like Philly or New York. This is coming real handy for that because I don't have to carry around like a huge charger. It's just this and a cord, and I know I'm good for the day. The next item I'm putting into my bag is this little pouch. It is just a little pouch from my favorite jewelry brand, Souvenir Jewelry, and this is where I keep any medicine that I want to keep on me. Whatever might be troubling me, you never know, so you just always want to be prepared. And I'm actually going to put that into the same pouch because it's not something that I use on the daily, but I do want it to be nice and tucked away for safekeeping. The next item in my bag is some hand sanitizer. This is just the one that I have at the moment. I just like keeping some type of sanitation product with me, just because you never know where you're going to be. I live in a city, so it's just nice to have it, especially when you are on the move and can't necessarily stop to wash your hands at a moment's notice. Having some type of hand cleaning product is really good. I have a black pen, a nondescript one, it doesn't even have a brand on it, as well as this Public Supply New York little paper pad. It's a little notebook, and I just love the bright yellow color. I can fish it out really easily from the bag. All of my bags are black, so having a brightly colored notebook is nice because I can find it super fast. My keys are going to go into the front compartment. You can also attach it to the back where these connectors are for the strap, but I feel like unless I'm like walking home from somewhere or right outside my door, I'm not gonna have my keys that accessible because I don't want anyone to grab them off of me, but I like this little pocket right in the front, and I'm also going to put my little pepper spray guy right in that compartment as well. The next item going into my bag is my wallet, and it is also by Nat. This is the Central wallet. It's just a beautiful little flat rectangular wallet, unzips around the edge, 2 little panels, all that stuff, and a little center portion to keep change and cash. The material is the same, so they are adorable little companions for one another. I absolutely love my wallet, and I did just get it recently, so you can tell I'm a huge fan of the Nat products. It's not a what's in my bag video without telling you what my receipts are. I have 2 in my bag right now, and one is for ramen. I went to go get ramen the other night, and the other one is a local coffee shop, which is a great way to sum me up to you. I like to go to coffee shops and I like to eat ramen out. I have a ColourPop lipstick, and this is in the color Kiddo. It's just like a sheer nudie pink. And then I have a little rollable perfume. This is the Elizabeth and James Nirvana Black perfume, one of my favorites. I already have perfume on today, so I'm not going to put this on, but it does live in my bag. Then I have my sunglasses. These are from QUAY, Australia. These are the Harper Glasses. They're kind of like a squared cat eye, and this is them on my face. Just picture me in the car, walking out in the world, doing my thing in my Harper glasses. And the last item I have is my phone. This is an iPhone 7. It is in just a clear case. And this is my bag, nice and full. Didn't change the shape at all, closed with no problem whatsoever. I can take this little green thing off, holding the shape of the handle now. I didn't even realize that was on there. And yeah, this is my NAT PHI bag. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and enjoyed getting a sneak peek in what I carry around every day. And if you enjoyed this video and want there to be others in the future, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Please don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. I would absolutely love if you have any video ideas to leave them in the comments. Leave a comment down below if you have a bag from Nat, or if you have any interest in buying vegan leather yourself. And I hope you're all having an amazing day, and I'll speak to you in the next video. Bye.